Hello and welcome to We Learn YouTube channel. If you like our YouTube channel, because we are doing so many educational tutorials, please subscribe us. Today we are going to discuss about how we can install Tally. So you can open your browser and go to this link. This link I will share with you in down description below. So go to that link, this one, tallysolution.com ID. So then you just take that link and open on your browser. Then you can try to install your Tally. If you want to install online, you can hit this button, so then install online. Otherwise you can download, then you can install. It's your choice. So I am going to direct install in my PC the Tally ERP accounting software. Just let me hit this button. It's directing to download. Yes, you can see that now setup is ready to download and install your computer. You can give the directions. I'm going to give the direction desktop. I want to save this one in my desktop, so then it will install your new computer. So according to your choice, you can select C drive, D drive, anywhere. Just save. Now in my file it's saved here. I will open that one. Downloads. The setup file is here. You can see with the small tally mark. You open that one. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. So then it will initiate the installing process. Now we are ready to install. Then hit this button, install. It will take few minutes. Now it's processing, and after few minutes it will be up in your system or the other computer. So then Tally ERP is ready to use. It is showing now 35 seconds roughly remaining. Just wait and watch. It will take a few more minutes to install the app. Okay, you can see the message, you have successfully installed Tally ERP 9. So just hit the done button. Oops, what happened? Okay, then when you go to, you can minimize this and go to the desktop. It's ready. Now successfully you have installed Tally ERP in your desktop and your computer, and the shortcut is already copied to your desktop. Now you can try and open this your ERP. Okay, now when you open initially the Tally ERP, it will ask for you activate your license. Actually, if you have the license, original license from the agent, you can update here. But now I'm going to show you how you can work on the educational mode without any license and without paying any fee. But it will surely limited some features on the Tally ERP, but it's enough if you are beginner and if you want to learn about the Tally ERP. So you are welcome, and you can go and activate your educational mode. On that educational mode, even though you don't get all the features in Tally ERP, you can work and go ahead. So I'm going way down below here, work in education mode. Just click on that, then you are ready to work on ERP. Okay guys, now stay with us because many good things to follow, and next video we will discuss how we can set up the company and we can create the company and so on. So be with us. We learn YouTube channel. If you subscribe our channel, so you will get more educational videos even relating to the Tally ERP. Thank you for being with us. Good day.